My name is Garrett McKechnie. I'm from Salem, New Hampshire, and I've been doing CrossFit for 2 years now. Since I've joined CrossFit Eagle Rock, I can't really work out any other way. I go to the gym and I'll lift a weight and throw it and just quit. I just can't do it. So I need the community, I need the competition, and it's made me healthier all around. I used to every now and then sneak a cigarette or something like that. I don't do that at all anymore. It's made me healthier in every way. And it makes you feel like you got something done with your day when you go to a WOD. People that I'd like to thank, honestly, Wes Mendelson, he was one of the first, he and Charlie were two of the first friends that I had here, and he pushes me all the time. And Chris Quinn and Risa and Coach Renee, I've had her since the beginning. I think I had her for my first build up. All the coaches, everyone, great, amazing. So that's about it. Thank you.